You might be wondering what we're doing right now.
We're building a piggy bank.
A world bank?
A worldly bank?
A drawn-forth bank.
As you may have noticed on our website, we have a donation goal of raising $5,000. If you didn't notice, that's okay.
It's not okay.
Well, we'll tell you about why we're raising this money.
At Drawn Forth, we want to create the most beautiful books possible. This doesn't mean just having amazing stories and beautiful images, but also creating books that are a joy to hold in your hand. We have decided that we want to put in the time and the effort to make our books ourselves, ensuring that the quality will make the entire Drawn Forth community proud, and that includes you.
Our goal of $5,000 is broken into multiple needs. There's the need for the materials to build our books, paper, a printer, a machine to bind our stories, and there is the need to be able to promote the authors and books that sign on to us. Instead of seeking capital from banks, we wanted to create a community that has a genuine interest in supporting beautiful literature at the grassroots. By contributing to Drawn Forth, you are helping us support our authors and illustrators. You are helping them share their publishing experience with you, and you are helping all of us bring these books into your hands.
So we're building this Drawn Forth bank to remind all of us about what we are working for. People can donate on our website, and when we see you guys in person, we are happy to accept donations then too. Everyone's name will go into this bank, and at the end of each month, we will draw forth a name to win an extra special prize. We will also take time to read each of your names and write you a thank you note telling you how important it was to us to receive this gift from you.
Well, we're all done. Go take a look at our donation page to see the different donation tiers that we have available. Each tier has something special to it that we are excited to share with you. We can't wait to fill our little Drawn Forth bank with the names of people helping us develop books for a better world.
Happy reading!